Hi everyone, Darren Conrad coming to you from Conrad's Harley-Davidson, and we are looking at a 2024 Harley-Davidson Road Glide in Whiskey Fire. What I am showing off on this particular bike is the accessories that we did for the customer. This is a customer's bike that he had picked out some of these items. One is the Harley-Davidson long haul package, which is the tour pack, the seat, rear floorboards. It also does come with a heel shifter on it. Also has a stage 1 kit with the extreme wedge blacked out air cleaner, the midnight chrome tab 50 caliber exhaust, which I'm gonna actually start up here so you can hear them. This also has the factory 47 handlebars, Harley-Davidson Kuhuna grips. Also has a Clockworks windshield. This is a heated seat. And this one is special because it has the rear speaker pods on the tour pack that we did special for the customer, and we're able to get these to work. And with the speakers, the front speakers, we have the Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 speaker system. And that's the speakers themselves, front and rear. So also has the side marker lights and the rear wraparound tour pack light. Again, this is a bike that we did special for the customer. He had picked out these accessories, and I think it turned out fantastic. So if you got any questions, give us a call, 1-815-725-2000, and you can talk with our parts specialist about getting any of these items done. This is a brand new bike. We can also do this on, older models or anything you'd like. You can also visit us on our website at www.conradshd.com.